Right now we're at the Taal Volcano, and this is really nice. It's in Tagaytay, and we're just enjoying the view here right now. And there's the big Ferris wheel that my kid and my brother are going to have some fun. There you go. It's very pretty. It's like that's the Taal Volcano right there. A nice area to be with. We're lucky that the weather is nice in here right now. There you go. There's lots of houses at the bottom. Those are the houses. There's more. From here, we're heading back to Manila. And then stay for a bit in the hotel and then roam around and see more places. There you go. There are more houses on the right side. It's nice in here. The weather is 28 degrees, but we're lucky enough to have nice weather. It's sunny, and oh, there's some people shouting over there. There's a ride. That's the boat ride. They're having fun. Oh,